you want one, let me know. There, I'm not in front this time.
Takeoff flaps.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Look at the line.
Oh, hell no. No, I'm behind. Go.
Take it out.
Flaps up. Gear up.
These hobby style packs do not like to be cold.
Oh, are they cold?
They're cold.
Oh, so they're not.
Then they don't like it.
So once they warm up, they get better? But
Yeah, I think when it's warm,
okay. Sounds better now. Like it warmed up. Okay, I'm doing a fast one now. Woo! And I'm reversing it coming on back. You alright? Oh shit, you flopped.
Time remaining 1 minute.
that was really nice. Oh, like it looks really cool.
Yours?
Yeah.
I saw it kind of flop.
Turn into us.
Go ahead.
It looked really cool.
30 seconds.
But I had so much altitude I could just wait.
Yeah.
Close. Doesn't like cold. For sure.
10, 9.
I'm peeling off to come
Gear
in.
down. 7, 6, 5, 4. Landing flap. 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Be right behind you.
Okay. Nice. That was a good touch. Little too. Oh, fuck. Okay.
Flaps up.
Whoa, that was really nice. I touched down too far down. Wow! What the hell was that?
Gear up. Gear down.
Yeah, your brake helped because you were able to set down a lot sooner.
Yeah.
I'm used to touching down like, you know, over there, touch down way sooner.
Yeah,
I touched down like right here,
Yeah.
just too far.
Rolling.
There is no runway that way. Cool.